Hey y'all, my name is Baylee, and I'm here to talk to y'all about the COVID-19 vaccines and why you should get them. The major vaccines for COVID-19 are mRNA vaccines. So what happens is you're going to get the vaccine in your arm, and the mRNA that's in the vaccine is like instructions. And that will get into your immune cells and teach them how to make this certain protein. It's called the spike protein, which is found on the surface of COVID-19. So after they make this protein, the cell will break down the mRNA that was just injected in you and get rid of it. But then the cell will display the protein on its surface. That way our immune systems will see it and be like, excuse me, you're not supposed to be there. And it'll start freaking out and making all these antibodies and fighting off the basically it's like learning how to fight the virus. And since these antibodies are made, they will know how to protect us if you ever do get infected with COVID. And this severely limits this risk of severe symptoms and death caused by COVID. So there are 3 types of COVID vaccines that are approved right now. One is called the Pfizer. It is an mRNA vaccine. It's 2 shots, 21 days apart. And it's recommended for people that are 16 years old and older. This vaccine is 95% effective at preventing laboratory-confirmed COVID-19 illness in people without evidence of previous infection. So, you're going to have some side effects, your arm is probably going to be really sore. Mine was when I got mine. Headache, tired, chills. Most side effects, they're common, but they're mild to moderate. It's not going to kill you. Then there's the Moderna, which is also an mRNA. It's 2 shots, 28 days apart. And it is recommended for people 18 years old and older. This vaccine is 94.1% effective at preventing laboratory-confirmed COVID-19 illness. It has high effectiveness among people in diverse age, sex, race, ethnic groups, and people with underlying medical conditions. So just like the Pfizer, side effects are going to be common. Headaches, just not feeling good, but your immune system is working really, really hard to try to make all these antibodies. So it's going to happen. But they're mostly mild to moderate in this vaccine as well. And then there's the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. Now, this is a different mechanism than the Pfizer and the Moderna. Instead of using mRNA, this vaccine uses a disabled adenovirus to deliver the instructions instead of mRNA. It delivers the instructions on how to defeat the coronavirus, but it can't replicate in your body. It is only 1 shot, and it is recommended for people 18 years and older. It is only 66.3% effective in preventing coronavirus infection. However, it is really, really high at preventing hospitalization and death. I think no one got hospitalized that had gotten the Johnson & Johnson in the clinical trials. Side effects are also common, just like the other 2, but they're mild to moderate. Same one, soreness of arm, headaches, chills, fever, any of that. So the CDC says that it doesn't matter which vaccine you get. They're all effective. They're all approved. They're all safe. So it doesn't matter which one you get. You can get any of them. You should get any of them. These vaccines also do not have live viruses that cause COVID. They don't inject you with COVID. That's not what they're doing. Anyways, mRNA vaccines do not alter or interact with our DNA at all. When the vaccines first came out and everyone was like, oh my gosh, they're going to turn us into monkeys. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't do that because the mRNA that enters the cell, it doesn't enter the part where the where our DNA even is. Like, it doesn't enter the nucleus of the cell, which is where our DNA is. So that's literally impossible. And the cell, after the mRNA gives the instructions and all that, it gets rid of it. Like, it's like, peace out. Like, you know. And also, the vaccine is not, the government is not trying to track you with the vaccine, because most of you are not interesting enough to be tracked anyways. So I don't know why you would think that. Basically, you should just get the vaccine, because there are people out there that can't get it, and we need to protect them as well as protect ourselves, and you just need to get it. It's effective. It's not going to kill you. Have a good day.